In this video, you'll learn how to change the region on your Google Pixel phone. By following these steps, you will successfully update the language and regional settings on your device. Begin by unlocking your Google Pixel phone and locating the Settings app on your home screen. Once you have opened the Settings app, scroll down until you find the option labeled System. This section contains advanced settings for your device. After tapping on System, look for Languages and Input and select it. Within this menu, you will see an option for languages. Tap on this to manage your region-related settings. Ensure you are in the correct section before proceeding, as this prepares your device for the upcoming changes. Next, tap on Add a Language to open the list of available languages. From this list, select your preferred region. Once you've made your selection, you will need to drag the chosen language to the top of the list. This action will set it as the default language for your device. By doing this, your device's region settings will update automatically. Keep in mind that some applications may adjust their settings based on this change, so ensure you select the correct region. After adding and setting your new language, exit the settings menu. Your device will begin updating formats such as date, time, and language according to the new region settings. If you find that the changes are not fully applied, consider restarting your phone to ensure all updates take effect. After rebooting, check your applications to confirm that the region has indeed been updated, as this step ensures everything is functioning correctly. You've now successfully changed the region on your Google Pixel phone. Your device will now reflect the new regional settings and preferences you have selected. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.